of the most common skin problems during the winter months is dry, dehydrated skin. A lot of people also experience skin peeling or extreme redness on the skin. Of course, we all know about face oils, face creams, we all know about serums, masks. So no, I will not be talking about those things. I will just talking about some very simple hacks and also one or two DIYs which I will share today. So you can figure out what your skin needs and what works for your lifestyle, and maybe just take some pointers from this video. So I'm going to start with a very important tip that a lot of people still seem to be missing out, and that is using gels. Now gels can be used in a lot of ways, okay? You can use them on your hair, you can use them on your skin, you can use them to massage your skin. Sometimes you can use them as face masks also. You can use them in DIYs also. For example, this particular mask, this is the gold brightening gel mask, right? So if you apply this on your face, it works as a mask. It also really hydrates your skin and makes your skin so supple and so beautiful. It really polishes your skin. Otherwise, you can just take a gel mask like this one. This is a calendula gel mask, and if you want, you can also mix a bit of your favorite oil. So you can use coconut oil, neem oil, or like in this case I'm using sweet almond oil, and mix the two ingredients really well till you get this kind of a consistency, and then massage for a few minutes till your skin has absorbed quite a bit of it, and then wipe off the excess. So this is something which you can again do once or twice a week. The bottom line is that, see guys, gels are designed, like be it any gel, okay? Like calendula gel is really good for dealing with scars and skin aging issues. If you have acne problems or acne spots, you can use tea tree gel, you can use neem gel, you can use rose hip gel. There's so many gels in the market. You don't have to just stick to aloe vera gel. If you're like really bored of it, you can go for something else. But gels in general, they are designed to hydrate your skin really well. So if you just massage your skin with gel as it is, or if you mix a bit of oil, or if you use a gel mask, it can really help with the skin dryness or skin dehydration issues very quickly. And of course, all the massage really helps in improving the blood circulation also. Another thing that I keep talking about on my channel all the time is the use of face mists. Okay, so face mists are not like toners. They are not like makeup setting sprays. No, mists are very different. Mists are things that you can use at any given time that you want, and they just keep your skin hydrated and supple. So this particular mist, especially from Vyam Ayurveda, this is the Khas moisturizing mist. You can actually use it once or twice a day very easily over your makeup. Under your makeup is more preferable though, and you just spray the mist and just massage the water into your skin. So it's extremely lightweight, and this is something which can be used by everybody, okay? Even if you have really sensitive skin, of course do a patch test in that case. But mists, they don't make your skin feel heavy. It's not even a huge commitment because you just have to spray and massage a little bit. If you want, you don't even have to massage. But mists can instantly add a boost of hydration, a boost of energy, a boost of moisturizing on your skin. And one of my favorite options ever is to use egg. Okay, I know a lot of people don't want to use egg. By the way, if you're a vegetarian, like even I'm a vegetarian, but I don't mind using egg on my face. If you want, instead of egg, you can also use a bit of milk. Okay, even that works, but not as well as egg here, to be very honest. So if you take a little bit of egg yolk, you can apply egg yolk as it is on your skin for light moisturization. It also helps with skin aging issues. It will also tighten up your skin very well. If you don't want to use egg yolk as it is, you can actually make a very simple DIY. So for this particular DIY, I'm taking some rose petal powder. This is actually very gentle, very delicate on the skin, so it really feels good. And then of course, for some moisture, we are going to use this Kumari Moisture Rich Pack. It's very rich in moisture but not heavy on the skin at all. To this, we'll add a little bit of egg yolk and just mix all the ingredients really well with some water. Apply it all over your face and neck and wash it off after about 15 to 20 minutes. Keeping that aside, guys, obviously it's very important to also keep in mind that when you're washing your face, don't use extremely hot water. A lot of people, including myself, to be honest, when I take shower, I like my water to be a little extra hot, not like warm, but extra hot. But that extra hot water can actually strip your skin of its natural moisture very quickly. Using face washes, for instance, try to use a creamy face wash. Just a light creamy face wash will help you more. So yes guys, that was a quick video which I want to share with you all today. I hope you found these 3 hacks very useful. Gels, what was the second one? Yes, gels, face mists, and of course egg yolk. Try including these 3 things in your skincare routine, and yes, you will see a great difference. And on that note, guys, let me just sign off from today's video. Don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye.